Sonible's metering bundle includes True Balance and True Level, two metering plugins that help you to quickly check if your songs are in good shape to publish. I have produced this EDM song that I want to get ready for publishing. First off, I want to look at its spectral balance and stereo width with True Balance. True Balance's interface consists of a drop-down menu from which I can select a typical spectral reference for various genres, a reference track section in which to load custom references, key readouts with corresponding target indicators, a large spectrum display showing both the real-time spectrum and the average spectrum, as well as a reference zone that indicates the spectral distribution of my chosen reference. And finally, a channel data section showing the signal's stereo correlation and width. I'll begin by selecting electronic as my spectral reference. The reference zone and the target indicators will then be adapted accordingly. I can choose between three options for the speed and the frequency resolution of the reference zone and the average spectrum, but I'll stay with my current settings here. I can see that my mids and highs are already within the suggested range, but my low end is a bit too loud. I can even see by how much I would need to decrease the level of the low end, in this case, the kick and bass, in order to approach the reference. True Balance also comes with a balance check that provides text-based hints regarding potential issues with the spectral distribution of the track. I'll go ahead and reduce the level in the low end of my track. As soon as I've finished making the necessary changes, I can hear how the sound becomes more balanced and cohesive. Notice how the readouts have changed to green, showing me that I'm on the right track. Next, I'll take a look at my stereo image. The channel data section shows a fairly low correlation and high width for my low end, which might cause issues in a mono mixdown. I'll go ahead and fix this by applying a low cut filter to the side signal of my bass. After that fix, the width and correlation of my low end are looking good, and the mono check shows that there should be no more mono compatibility problems.